Welcome to our channel. Making principal-only payments on your car loan can significantly reduce the total interest you pay and help you pay off your loan faster. Step 1. Log into your lender's online banking portal or mobile app. Navigate to your auto loan account. Step 2. Look for the payment options section. Most lenders offer different payment types, including regular payment, principal-only, or extra payment options. Step 3. Select principal-only payment or additional principal payment from the payment type menu. This ensures the extra payment goes toward reducing your loan balance, not future interest. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to apply toward principal. Even small additional payments can make a significant difference over time. Step 5. Review the payment details carefully before submitting to confirm it's designated as principal only. Step 6. Complete the transaction and save the confirmation number for your records. Step 7. If your lender doesn't offer online principal-only payments, call customer service and request that your payment be applied to principal only. Get written confirmation. Step 8. For check or money order payments, write principal-only payment in the memo line along with your account number. Step 9. Review your next statement to verify the principal-only payment was applied correctly and reduced your loan balance accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.